Now I'm going to show you how to properly batter fish with the Back Porch Fish Fry. I put some that garlic sauce, the Creative Cajun Cooking garlic sauce, and some lemon juice. Throw it in the Back Porch Fish Fry and lay it into that basket and let it rest.
That's the gar. I don't know if you want to.
Yep, do the same thing with it. Same deal. We're gonna do a little tartar sauce with that relish. Look at here. We got a little relish. Huh? Gator-Pickle relish. That's the happening thing. We're just gonna make a little dab of it. Usually I got to do a couple gallons at a time, so there's a little bit of relish there. I like regular plain yogurt. Lemon juice. Just a little tad. We got some mayo. And we're going to use a little bit of fire department blend to kind of spice it up. Then all we got to do is mix it up. Now look how easy that was. You can put a dollop over that on top of that fried fish and just get down on it.